What's up, YouTube? So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I prep my soil. What do I mean by prep? Well, being that this soil and these plants remain in my apartment, the only thing I want alive inside this soil are nutrients. So what I have here are 3 buckets, soil, and perlite. I take the soil and the perlite, fill the buckets up about halfway, maybe 3/4, no more. And the reason I stop there is so that the boiling water that I pour into these buckets onto the soil and the peat moss, perlite. Why do I keep saying peat moss? The perlite, it actually makes it to the bottom of the bucket. I found that when I fill the buckets all the way to the top, no matter how much I'm stirring, the heat won't make it to the bottom. And then I'll have to pour more water and more water. And then it looks like mud or shit. And then that shit takes forever to dry. The soil molds in the bucket. I can't do anything with the soil because plants don't like mud. It's just don't do it. Or do it. Try it. See how that shit works out. Didn't work for me. So yeah, halfway, 3/4 full. Pour that boiling water on it. I cover them with foil to trap it, and I just let the bucket sit until they cool. Um, yeah. And since I've been doing this, I got this offline. Somebody showed me how to do this. I didn't make this up. The shit works. So if you have plants inside, or if you're starting and they'll be inside, and you want to avoid what are those fungi, gnats, and other shit that might crawl out the bag, give it a go. Again, it's been working for me. So I'm gonna keep doing it. Hope this helps. Bye. Thanks for watching my video, and bye for now.